Hello everyone, welcome back to Lord of the Coins. Today we'll be going over a technical analysis of Solana. So we'll just be going over where we left off on the last Solana video. I believe that was on around November 9th. It was when this drop happened. So yeah, if you guys like this type of content where I just go over, live charts with you guys and just show you guys how I think through charts, please make sure you leave a like and subscribe. And drop a comment down below if you guys want me to look over any stocks, any crypto or forex pairs, because I can definitely do that as well. Alright, so let's get started. So when Solana dropped on November 9th, I told you guys not to FOMO into this move, and that we'll get another entry into this long. And if you guys marked out your levels in that video and you guys are in this trade, congratulations, you guys should be up. If you guys took some profits, it was up 36% at a point. Up 23% at the moment. So congrats if you're on that trade, and if not, it's not too late, as if you kind of look at the macro here, we are still looking to recover at least to this fair value gap, unless there's more bad news and then Solana just kind of tanks. But Solana, I think it's looking pretty good for a long here. Just like AVAX, I don't know if you guys saw my AVAX video. If not, I would definitely check that out, as AVAX is looking really good for a long trade right now. And if you guys are in this trade, congrats as well, as you guys should be up. We're picture perfect on the dot on the entry. We're up like 8% so far, and if this goes to target, we'll be up like 56%, 51%. So that'll be fantastic. So go back to Solana here. So we'll talk about the macro and the micro, and then just kind of how to find entries in. So at this moment, we are looking, short-term bearish on Bitcoin. It looks like we're falling down a little bit, but equities are, the traditional markets are kind of going up pretty well. Probably due to, dovish language and possible pivot. So, we'll just have to see. So if news is good, Solana can definitely, from right now, probably hit like a 2x, possibly like a 2.5x. I can see that happening, so definitely keep your eyes on this. So in terms of macro, we did hit a reversal here. We have our sweep. So we have our sweep. And then we also have our change of character right here. Denote that by Y, and then that becomes our broken base. So in this case, if you're looking for another entry in, I would be looking in just somewhere in this area. This area has a lot of confluence right here. But this is definitely the most optimal entry, but we'll have to see how it goes. If Solana breaks this low and closes below 13.13, this is on the Bybit chart, we definitely are going to see some sort of down move here. So we can definitely see something like this happening, and if we retap into this supply, we can see more movement up. So this would be another great entry into a long if you guys are looking. Definitely wouldn't FOMO in though. So in terms of macro, that's kind of what I'm looking at. I'm just kind of looking at, possibly a little dip, possibly another entry into a long, and then at least hitting range high or the previous month value area high. That's definitely possible here as well. Or we can reverse here, or we can hit the range high, catch a deviation, and then come back down. And definitely this would be the area to look for. If you can hold this as support, we'll definitely be going up into filling this fair value gap up here. So that is kind of looking at on the macro. And for the micro, kind of more short term, I'll look on like the 1 hour and possibly the 15 to see kind of where we're at. So on the 1 hour, let's see, I'm gonna drop a fib here. This swing high, or this swing low to this swing high. So yeah, we're kind of sitting in the golden pocket. We might be able to see a little bit of reversal here, but it's just really gonna depend on what Bitcoin wants to do. Bitcoin does look like it wants to come down, but would definitely we just have to observe price action at the moment. So in terms of the very short term, I'm going to go down to the 15 here. So in terms of the very short term here, if we can claim weekly POC, then we're definitely bullish here. It would also give us our confirmation reversal right here. So we have our sweep. Oh, looks like it's dumping. And then that'll be our sweep, and this would be our change of character if we can claim this. So if we can get price action to climb up and close on top of this and hold weekly POC as support, we are looking bullish. Otherwise, looks like we're a little bearish right now with that candle drop. We definitely do have support on the previous week VWAP right here. That would, that'd be pretty good actually. You can see how these VWAP values are absolutely perfect. So this previous week VWAP, we have a good bounce off that. Previous week POC, perfect bounce off that. Monthly POC, perfect bounce off that. So make sure to mark out these levels as they're really good confluences for your trades. So in terms of the short term, this is what I really want to see in Solana. I want to see us break above 13.7 and then claim the weekly POC. That would give us extreme, not extreme, but a good bullish sentiment here. And yeah, we can probably see higher values claiming this previous month value area high and the previous month VWAP. It's around 16 bucks. And that would also give us, a claim of the value area high of our current range, which would be, another confluence for taking a short trade around here. And we'll just observe price action and see how it goes. We might get a wick above this candle right here. We do have some relatively equal highs right here, so those are definitely able to get swept out. So definitely don't set limits. I usually don't set limits on my trades. I just try to watch price action and then I get in on confirmation bullish or bearish order flow. So yeah, if you guys enjoy this type of content, please let me know. I'll just recap, just real quick because I kind of ran through this kind of quickly. So on the 4 hour, on the macro, looking bullish, I would say, and then possibly claiming this area and possibly claiming this area. And if we do claim this area, we're going to claim this fair value gap right here. So that's my macro. Definitely more upside than downside. And then on the micro, we're looking like a little down at the moment, and I just want to claim 13.7 here. And if we can claim that, we're looking bullish here. And if we can't claim the previous week VWAP, if we drop down, then we're definitely looking bearish. And then if we are bearish, the price I'm looking for another long is into around this $12 area. Good psychological number here as well, around 12 bucks. So yeah, if you guys enjoy this type of content, please let me know, and I'll be sure to make you guys more of these videos. So thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.